Welcome to our podcast, where we cover interesting and fascinating stories for you. In this episode, we will discuss granite found beneath Lunar volcano. A large formation of granite has been uncovered beneath an ancient lunar volcano, in further evidence that the far side of the moon once glowed with volcanic eruptions. The granite was discovered under a suspected volcanic feature on the surface of the moon, called Compton-Belkovich. As per the geologists, this feature was very likely formed as the result of cooling magma that fed fiery eruptions of lunar volcanoes around 3.5 billion years ago. As per the reports, researchers have suspected this area to be an ancient complex of volcanoes. However, the team was surprised to discover the size of the patch of cooled magma, with an estimated width of around 31 miles. The surprising discovery of the large body of granite found beneath the Compton-Belkovich volcanic complex could help scientists discover how the lunar crust formed in the early history of the moon. A team of scientists led by Planetary Science Institute researcher Matthew Siegler made the discovery of the granite body using data collected by NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance orbiter. The data produced by the orbiter allowed the team to measure temperatures below the surface of Compton-Belkovich. The data displayed heat being generated that could only come from radioactive elements that only exist on the moon as granite, an igneous rock found in the plumbing of volcanoes as batholith, underground rock formations created when magma cools without erupting. Any big body of granite that we find on Earth used to feed a big bunch of volcanoes, much like a large system is feeding the Cascade volcanoes in the Pacific Northwest today, Siegler said. Batholiths are much bigger than the volcanoes they feed on the surface. For example, the Sierra Nevada mountains are a batholith left from a volcanic chain in the western United States that existed long ago. Granite is generally formed as a result of water and plate tectonics, which help in creating large melt bodies below the Earth's surface. However, granites are extremely rare on the moon, and their discovery can help explain how the early lunar crust formed. If you don't have water, it takes extreme situations to make granite, Siegler said. So, here's this system with no water and no plate tectonics, but you have granite. Was there water on the moon, at least in this one spot? Or was it just especially hot? Siegler will be presenting the team's research at the upcoming Goldschmidt Conference, scheduled in Lyon, France. Thank you for listening to our podcast. We have many more such compelling episodes for you. Enjoy them. Do share your opinion in the comment box and subscribe to us for more.